everyone, it's been a bit, but we're back with Next Call, Best Call, the new quick tips and tricks from the Snow 91 QAU. We're here to help you sharpen your skills so you can support the communities we serve. We've seen a lot of people crash their e-bikes or their e-scooters recently, and the question often comes up, what protocol should I use for someone who's crashed their e-bike or their e-scooter? The simple answer is Protocol 30, traumatic injuries specific. The traumatic injury protocol covers the mechanism of injury and is more specific to the complaint of the injury. It also has a safety net coding for high velocity impact or mass injury. Why not Protocol 29, the traffic collision or transportation incident? This protocol is designed to address mechanism of injury as well as traffic concerns and has type codes that our agencies send additional equipment to address traffic or scene safety issues. So if a e-bike has crashed on its own, you may be oversending equipment to that specific injury. If an e-bike or e-scooter is hit by a car, then Protocol 29, or the traffic collision transportation incident, fits the situation perfectly. It covers the mechanism of injury and the need for additional equipment for traffic or scene safety issues. However, if someone has just fallen off their e-bike or their e-scooter or crashed it into something, Protocol 30, or traumatic injuries, works well to address those specific injuries. Think injuries to internal organs and to injuries to the spine or to the brain. If the patient crashes their bike at a high rate of speed or involves mass issues, like into a wall at, say, 30 miles an hour, there's a coding for high velocity or for mass injuries. Also, quick pro tip, words in all caps have definition in the additional information tab in either the card set or in ProQA. You can click the additional information tab to get all the rules and axioms within ProQA. Try it out and test ProQA on your resource PC. That's it for this edition of Next Call, Best Call. We'll be back soon with more tips and tricks to help you make your next call your best call. Keep up the fantastic work. We're so proud of everything you do.